Right. So I think, let's talk about your journey. Talked a lot about your challenges, your experiences, being a serial entrepreneur. But let's talk about in the achievements that you've made, Bechlo has made over the period of years. Let's talk about that, if you can share those
So
insights.
we've been very lucky. We've been surrounded by really great communities. So we've been incubated at NIC Karachi. We were winners of the Standard Chartered Women in Tech program, which gave us a healthy grant as well, which we were able to put through to help ourselves grow. We won the Visa She's Next competition last year, which also gave us mentorship, guidance. We connected with a huge community of their entrepreneurs. We recently won a grant from World Bank as well to work towards women empowerment and building these ecosystems. So we've been really lucky. We've had some great partnerships, and that's really helped us grow, right? So now we're at a point where yes, we want to build the ecosystem, but we're actually being able to help others. We're partnering with other organizations who we can work with together. Okay, we help spread their message, they help spread ours. And it's really been about uplifting women and giving women the confidence to go ahead, take that plunge, start selling online. You have nothing to lose. And giving them the confidence. And then we also give them the training, right? So अगर आपको नहीं आता online sell करना, we'll help you. We'll tell you how to take pictures. We'll tell you how to write a product description. We'll tell you how to set up your own Instagram page. Right? So it's about bringing the women ecosystem, and with 20,000 plus sellers at the moment, we can see that there's a demand there, and then when you hear stories like, I was looking for a bottle जो Pakistan में available नहीं होती. One of the sellers was selling it because उनके पास कहीं बाहर से आई हुई थी, she didn't need it, and it helped a child sleep better at night because वो anti-colic bottle use कर सके, or when we have some sellers who are selling, for example, tasbees. There's a female seller who makes tasbees, and because she's on Bechlo now, she gets like शादी के orders कि वो शादियों की तस्बीहें बनाती है, and she's sending her child to school with that money, so there's a lot of really interesting stories that are really helping us. So I mean, those are our biggest achievements, right? Like being able to uplift women.
True. I think that's great to hear those kind of stories, and that's a great advice for all those young female entrepreneurs who have nothing to lose. They just need to start.
Like it's the confidence, right? And stop we have to stop seeing anything that we as women do as a side gig, right? This can be what you do. Like you don't have to introduce yourself like I'm a housewife, but मेरा एक side पे छोटा सा business है. You can say I'm a business owner and I'm also a housewife. So you can do those things together, and I think normalizing that has been interesting.